How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the page. Haven't done a vid for a while, but tonight I'm going to put a fairing on my bike. It's a 99 Harley Wide Glide. There's the fairing there, bought it off eBay in Aussie. There's all the brackets. Now we just need to get this bolt loose for the front light, pull that off. Just let that dangle down to the side there. Crack the bolts on the handlebars. Now you can do your own, whatever order you like to do it in. I'm just showing the order that I done it. So that bracket actually goes under the handlebars. I move it back up in a little bit further on. Here's the light bracket that I have to modify. I'm just going to do a little bit of a test fit, get some measurements so I know how much to cut it off, because it's going to interfere with that silver plate there. So I might just get the ruler in a second and have a bit of a measure. Once I get that plate on, and I work out that it has to have 12mm taken out of it. Now I've chopped the 12mm out of it, I'm just bolting it up. And I had to put a little spacer in there as well, just to get the light to come down so it centralises in the fairing itself. I'll show you in a sec. Got to take the indicators off now because they're behind it, and I'm going to mount them on a fairing in a second. Just tighten the handlebars back up, and I've got the lower bracket I didn't show you. I'll show you a picture of that in a sec, where I'm bolting that onto now. That just fits under the light mount bracket. Tighten that up, and now I'm just drilling some holes in the fairing for the light mounts to go on. That's them there, and they're tucked away nicely behind the windscreen. There's a bit of a cavity so the head won't rub on the windscreen itself. There's a view from the inside of the mounting hardware. Some of the fasteners down in there that come with the kit, those were already on. I just had to put the plastic bits on, and that's the bottom bracket. And that is the light mount that had to have a little bit cut out, and you can see the nut as a spacer, so you can set that height to whatever you want to get it in the right spot inside that gap there. Here's another shot of the spacer underneath. And then just tighten up the windscreen and she's tickety boo.